So recently, Natalie, you might have seen her in one of my videos, pointed out to me this new song. It's actually a classic, but to me it's new because I've never heard it before. And Pablo and Raquel did a really nice demo. It's a really nice song to a really nice demo. And there's this one move that caught my eye. It's a show move that you can actually do on social, but if someone just sees it and decides that they want to do it without the proper fundamental, most likely it's gonna hurt the girl. So let's look at this video, look at this move, and then break it down on how to do it correctly. Okay, let's look at the video. 5, 6, 7, 8, body roll to a dip. This is where it concerns me, the dip. If you just see it once and then you don't know the fundamental, you would think that he pushed her back, and that is super dangerous. So never do that, leaders. Never ever do that. And the secret of doing this move is the preparation. So let's jump to where the preparation is most important. So after the body roll, he lifts her hand, and that's not a lead. The body roll goes up naturally, and then he leaves his hand around her neck so she can style. But this is the prep. You see, she is tilted to the front, you are tilted to the left, and this is the prep that is most important. When you tilt her like that, she's gonna concave. Because why? Because the next move is the dip. The dip is her opening her chest. Her chest is open, so before she needs to open her chest, she needs to close it, and before she goes back, she needs to go forward. That's the proper dip. And you, at this point, you are counterbalancing. That's why he puts his hand this way to counterbalance. Now let's talk about the ladies or the followers. So at this point, you have connection on your left side to his right side. You are going to do a body roll as far as he leads you, and naturally the standard way, if there's nothing else, it's your responsibility to finish the movement by sitting into your hip, but he's going to give you a little bit extra by tilting, and this tilt is going to take you forward because you're still connected to his right side, and he's tilting left, so you have to tilt forward. And at this point, it's important to close your chest. As you can see, she is closing her chest when it's a forward tilt, and have your weight stable on your left leg. This is where you will get your stability from. This leg lift, don't do it if you don't trust the guy. Okay, this is pretty showy, so they've practiced this a lot. But at this dip, you open your chest. So before, you are closed and you are to the front, and now you are to the back and your chest is open. Right? Pretty simple. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those stuff, because it really helps me to grow the channel, and that way more people can see it. And also, if you have a request of what you would like to learn next, let me know, and I'll do my best to deliver it. Thanks. See you in the next video.